Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning and good evening to all. And today's video is this is the day that I receive a blessings from my solid supporter here in my channel, and he sent through PayPal. And this time we went to the store to cash out the money here in Nabal town. Then my cousin is take a video to me. Then I receive 5,500 cash. Then we decided with my sisters and kids we went to McDo because the person who sent me a blessing, he said that he want to eat our lunch in the outside in the newly restaurant. So that we decided to went to McDo because you know that this is the newly open fast food here. And this time we confused where is the entrance here because you know that this is our first time to try McDo or go to McDo here in Nabal. So we curious. Sorry for the ignorant guys. And then so finally we found the entrance so that we went inside. Then my videographer today, this video is my cousin. And then this time is I take a lane here in the counter to choose our order and also to pay.
Regular coffee.
I done to pay it in the counter and choose our order. So we wait for about how many minutes, and after it I think it's 30 minutes for waiting. My order is arrived. I ordered six pieces of chicken and 3 pieces of mac float. The drinks is you know that it's is you know that a package for what I order. A package chicken with drinks like that. Then look at my son reaction. He excited and he want to you know that McDo is we went McDo early. So it's time to eat guys. Let's eat everyone. And I wanna say thank you so much to those who sponsor to us. Thank you very much, sir.
So we done eating guys in the McDo. We're done eating. So we're going to buy food again from father because
And this time I went to the grocery to buy some groceries needed for the house. The daily needs because you know that this is the important. And I get body soap just like when you take a bath, Safeguard, and a shampoo like that, the daily needs. And also the keratin conditioner. And I bought for toothpaste. You know that toothpaste is never gone because when you did not act on a toothpaste, your mouth smell bad. And my sister asked he want to buy a napkin for my three sisters because you know that we all girls. Napkin is very important. And I buy powder soap for the clothes, for the washing clothes. I buy 1 dozen. It is a soap. This is the cheapest powder soap for the clothes. That's why I chose here. And the soap bar for the clothes also. And I buy Milo for my kids because you know that this is their favorite every morning. This is their coffee like that. But did not allowed to drink coffee because you know that it's kids. That's why I buy Milo for him. And also the coffee for my father and my sisters, also me. And I got shocked when my sister is coming because I said, hey, stay on the outside. Then I buy also candies for the kids also. The nips, 1 dozen of nips. It is enough for him. It's about how many days. And then also the noodles. This is the important every morning when my sister is go to school. They want to eat breakfast so that they have that like a noodles, canned goods, and also bought Ajinomoto for the seasoning. It's because you know that the place of my father is the sari-sari store is very far away, so that I need to buy daily needs. And this time is I need to pay it in the counter. Then my eldest son he asked to get here because you know that he's sleepy now, so that I can take him. Then I pay for about 900 pesos like that. You know that guys, the 1,000 pesos is just like a 100 pesos before. It's because of the items. It's a very pricey, and you know that the highest price. And it's all done. The second time is I went to the market to find some rice. I bought a one half sack of rice because rice is important, because Filipino is rice is life like that. And also the worker here is say hi to my vlog. And you know that rice is never gone. We cannot fall without rice. And the next is my son. He want to buy a toy, so that I give him. I forgive him. It's only one. Pili, gani. Sure. And the next, I went to the dried fish section because my father said that I cannot forget to buy dried fish, because you know that when he go to the forest, he work. This is his always dish. You know that the poor people only can relate this dish. So that I buy here 1/2 kilo. 1/2 kilo is a lot na. It's how many pieces na. So it's enough. The 1/2 kilo is enough. It's 100 pesos. Look at guys. There's many kinds of dried fish here. You know that this is my favorite. A dried fish. It's so smell good. But you know that the other nationality is they cannot want the smell of dried fish. And this time I went to the seafood section, but I cannot buy because you know that it's so very pricey. It's because of the weather. You know that it's windy here, so that the price of the seafoods is effective. It's because of the ocean is, you know, that there's a big wave, so that the seafoods is so pricey. And I also asked the meat. It's so very, very, very expensive. You know that before, the kilo of pork meat, it's only 300. But now it's 380 pesos. So that I will buy chicken. Because chicken, it's a very, you know that it's a exact price, 221 kilos. So it's in it's okay for me. So I buy 1 kilo and half. Because you know that dried fish and chicken. Na!
Kuan na busy na siya sa iyang kuan. Oh, fries, my favorite.
Asa mo ito?
Nakadagko ano ito? Kuha na agad.
Asa mas barato kani o kay
Ang green.
ang green?
Oh, daghan pag yun. Fries. Na ice cream is, di ka? Many ice cream. Asa man na siya, ti? Show mo na. Ano naman na siya. Ilan na, ay, ang sama ni?
Supo man.
Siopaw. Saan mo na pagluto ang siopaw? Ah,
Di na mo take out ila mini at magapil na ulit kan ang na to ani. Sibul pud ta.
oh, sure.
Buang ka sibul ni.
House ko. Eh, pila man na? Naman siguro na fish food. Paano nga?
Dito na.
Yo, bayad-bayad na. So nice. Oh, we're going outside na.
And this is it for today's video, guys. We're going home now. Then I wanna say thank you so much for those who sponsor a food for my family. Thank you so much, sir. But you know that you said you don't want to mention your name. But I want to say thank you very much. Stays more blessing to come and to your family also. Thank you very much. And we ride a habal-habal. We ride a habal-habal, guys. This is a kind of motorcycle with a rope like that. Then my three sister is the ride in the tricycle. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for always supporting. Bye.